Hello, this video is about decoding messages. When receivers get their message from the sender, they certainly need to decode and understand the message. Decoding messages is a very crucial and vital skill for effective communication. People will decode and understand different messages in different ways based on and depending on different features, such as the barriers to communication which might be present, their experience and understanding of the context of the message, their psychological state, the time and place of the message, and many other different aspects. Understanding how the message will be decoded and eliminating as many of the potential sources of misunderstanding as possible is the art of an effective communicator. Well, this is Mohammad Modallal. Thank you for being with us. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel, Goal Group 2010. Thank you.